Okay guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the trending market for the week, and of course we will be checking that out together and see how we can make more profit throughout this week. Okay, we always do this at the beginning of the week so that we can be well guided whenever we are trading. Okay, so I will be going straight into it right away, but before I do that, if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and of course take your time to browse through the channel, learn my trading strategies, and practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? Okay, so these are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on higher time frame because we trying to look at the trend for the week. Okay, so you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and lower time frame whenever you are trading, because any little pullback on lower time frame can lead into any little pullback on higher time frame can lead to a major reversal on lower time frame. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. Okay guys, this is Boom 1000. I'm checking this out from the daily time frame. Okay, so this started an uptrend several weeks ago. Right from here you can see the yellow flag. It kept on going up. When it got to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out from there at the initial stage, but later on it was now ranging within this resistance zone and of course this support zone. Okay, but at the end of the day it broke out above it somewhere here. Okay, and of course to get to a new resistance zone. Last week I said it will be selling, and as you can see it sold for a while. Okay, this week it's still going to be selling because it is on downtrend. However, there will be a day or two whereby we'll be having some pullbacks in between. We usually have that even when the market is in a particular trend. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, this is Boom 500. It started an uptrend right from this support zone, and of course it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to go above it, so it started a downtrend right from there. And of course we also spoke about this last week that it's going to be selling more, and as you can see it sold for a very long time. It had a little stopover around here around this time, last week. Okay, but at the end of the pullback it went back into a downtrend. Right now it is having another pullback. It started 3 days ago, and of course it is still pulling back, but after this pullback it will still continue with a downtrend. So this is still going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Still on daily time frame. Crash 1000 started a downtrend right from there, and of course it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it had a little pullback. Okay, after the pullback, okay, it's still trying to sell more. If it's unable to go below this, then definitely it will go back on uptrend. But if it breaks out below this, then definitely it will come down to this particular support zone. Okay, so first of all, let's say it breaking out from here. Okay, so this is still on downtrend at the moment. Okay, if it's unable to break out from here, it will go back into a full uptrend, and if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to go fully into a buy trend. Okay, so this is very important. So still on downtrend at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check that out also. This is Crash 500. It started an uptrend from here and got to this region, sold for a while till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from here, so it had this pullback, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still on uptrend. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if the downtrend is going to start immediately after getting to this resistance zone. Okay, but for now it is still on uptrend, so you should watch out for that. Okay, so the next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is V75. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. That's why you are seeing the red flag, and of course it kept on selling and selling till it got to this region, and it's still very much on downtrend. Okay, if it breaks out below this support, then it will keep on selling, but if it's unable to break out from there, it will go fully into an uptrend. But for now it is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so let's take note of that right away. So these are the result for today's for this week's analysis. So you guys should take note of that, and of course put them into use whenever you are trading. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.